Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just doing the mic testing of SJCAM. So basically what's happening is there's a lot of wind noise in my wind noise is coming through the video, so I couldn't put all the audio content in the, so it just did some jigger things on my mic. Today I'm just checking that. So basically it's done, everything is done, just I'm doing it right now. So I hope audio is fine. Audio should be fine, please God. So because of that I couldn't put lot of audio content. So basically what I did is I just took some cotton and mix it with Fevicol. So I just mix it both Fevicol and cotton. So I just wrapped that mic front portion with that. So I just left it like a day. So I hope there is no lot of wind noise now. So I will show that right now. Just look at it. So this is how I did it. So I'm just cruising in around like 60. So let me check in that high speed let me check some 80 or something. Bangalore is back with traffic, dude. I don't like at 100s and all inside Bangalore. I'm going to LS store, I think that store name I don't remember. So my friends are coming. So my friend is going to buy a GoPro, and one more friend is going to buy some jackets and gloves and all. So for next week ride. So I need to buy a tripod, mobile mount. Don't know what it's called. So this ride I may get some free space. Oh man, no way to go in 80s and 100s. Hope at least this audio is clear. So hope my audio issue is fixed at little bit in at least in 60 km/h. Yeah, we are here. Like this is a store, LS2.